Zama, installment sale agreement is my favorite, and I do that at least once a year. If I don't do it in a year, I feel like, I'm going to die. Installment sale is so great because it's written all over. It says the owner is willing to carry the loan. That's what it says, basically. So, and there's a lot of strategies, especially during COVID. Actually, we've done a lot of installment sales deals during this COVID. And why? Because the owner, if you structured the deal properly, there are two things you're going to get out of it. Owner is going to finance the deal, so it means that you don't really need to go to the bank and get the bond or get a bank to finance you. By the way, that's another way to raise capital in the market by leveraging off the owner's property. So the owner is going to finance the deal because their credit is not that bad. It's just the liquidity is bad. So they'll finance the deal for you. Some owners are actually not that the liquidity is bad. They actually have a whole lot of money and they just want to get some tax shelter. And therefore they will do that kind of deal with you because they will still be able to use whatever that they're using to get some money from the taxman. And how do you get installment sale? From the owner's point or the seller's point of view, you need to demonstrate that you're a trustworthy person. Your word is everything that you have, and you need to be able to show that. Once you've done that, I know in South Africa, once you've done this deal, you need to close it off over 60 months period, which is 5 years. You need to close this deal off in 5 years, and you do it over 3 or 4, 5 installments. That's how it is. But installment sale is easy and it's written everywhere. It just takes a lot of time to get to that deal because you have to do a lot of paperwork, but you can get out of it. And if you use foreclosure, you can close installments deal, a lot of them, before the bank foreclosed on your client. And that's what you have to do.